165 billion packages are shipped in the US each year. We're drowning in a sea of packaging waste, and too much of it is ending up in the ocean. The United Nations tells us that by 2050 there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean. Amazon alone sold 100 million products on Prime Day and shipped over 5 billion items through Prime last year, many of which are bubble mailers that you have to take to a special facility to recycle, and let's be real, who's actually recycling it?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janu and I talk about all things intentional and low impact living. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the best places to shop zero waste online. I know with everything going on, everyone's kind of stuck at home, so a lot of people are ordering items online. So I want to give you some alternatives to Amazon where you can shop zero waste products. So let's hop into the video. So I'm going to be covering a few places where you can shop for food, lifestyle, and beauty products. So the first one is food. There are a few options. There's this place called the Wally Shop, and apparently they now ship nationwide. So basically it's zero waste groceries. They deliver them to you and then you just ship them back, and they reuse the glass packaging that they come in. I know there's also Loop, but that's only on the East Coast, and so they do a similar thing. You buy the food, it comes in aluminum, and then you can return it, and it's just a circular sort of system, and you're not producing any waste. There's also the zero waste grocery delivery company that's in San Francisco that will soon be in LA called Zero, and they basically do zero waste grocery delivery, and they pick up your old jars, and it's just a circular economy again. So there's not any waste being produced. So the first on my list for lifestyle and beauty products, you can find some on Earth Hero. So they have everything from beauty products as well as just kind of like kitchen essentials. So there's definitely a range, and you can kind of find a little bit of everything on their site. There's also Package Free, which a lot of people know about. They're based in New York, and it's by Lauren Singer, who's one of the biggest people in the zero waste space. They also have things from face bars to bamboo toothbrushes and just like general zero waste essentials. And it's great because they ship 100% plastic free, and I'm pretty sure all the companies that I'm mentioning to you also ship 100% plastic free, which is also great because when you're ordering from places like Amazon, you know they come wrapped in a ton of plastic, or they come in those bubble mailers that you cannot recycle. So these places are definitely a great alternative to Amazon. One of my favorite places to shop is in Toques Life in Los Angeles. They sell like a lot of items in bulk, like conditioner, and they have beauty products as well. But they do offer items online too. So they have this charcoal soap that's really good. But what I like about them is that they're very small, and like they make a lot of things by hand. So a lot of like the refillable conditioners and things like that, like you have to go in person. But they do sell a good amount of items on their website as well. And then if you're looking for just primarily beauty products, the Detox Market and Credo Beauty are good options. They carry clean beauty products, and you can find a lot that don't come in plastic. Unfortunately, a lot of their items are expensive. It's not really accessible to everyone, but it is an option if you're someone that's looking for kind of higher end beauty products. I haven't really seen anything that's like super affordable there, kind of like Sephora prices, and then they like go way up from there. So there's definitely a little bit of a range, but it just depends on what you're looking for. As I've said in like previous videos before, when it comes to just like certain like skincare things, they've really been like in the ordinary. They come in glass, and it's definitely a lot cheaper than shopping at the Detox Market or Credo Beauty. So that's an option if you're interested in more beauty products that are affordable that also don't come in a ton of plastic. Anyway guys, I hope you found these stores helpful. These are great places that really care about sustainability, and they're a great alternative to Amazon, which might be slightly cheaper, but they don't have sustainable practices. So I really want to support brands that really care about the environment and don't want to produce a lot of waste. So I hope you found all these tips helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.